Hi, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we're going to learn how to design a custom phone case using creative Fabrica Studio. Let's dive right in. Start by creating a new design in the studio. Set the dimensions to fit your phone. I usually go with 2.9 by 6.1 inches. Next, let's choose a background. Browse through the options available in the studio and pick one that really matches your style. Now comes the fun part, adding graphics. Studio has a vast library of creative images to choose from. Select a few that resonate with you and arrange them on your canvas to make your phone case stand out. Once your graphics are in place, it's time to add a personal touch with some text. A playful message like, "My phone case is cooler than yours," could be just the thing. Take your time experimenting with different fonts and colors until the text fits perfectly with your design. Finally, when you're satisfied with your creation, download your design. Once downloaded, you're all set to print it onto your phone case. And that's it. Thank you for watching and happy designing.